I'm going to show you how to add some festive decorations to your Thanksgiving day. Another sort of decoration which is often overlooked are plates and napkins. You're like, what do you mean decoration? It's just a plate. That's what it does. It's a plate. Yeah, and maybe you have really nice plates that you want to use for your Thanksgiving dinner or other like just eating in the month of November activities. But maybe you don't. And maybe you actually wouldn't mind having something out there with like some more like autumn leaves, pumpkins, cornucopias, and other Thanksgiving themes on it. So, I mean, for example, here we have several options that you can basically have. And you can also see, I mean, because there's just so many options at the stores nowadays. You have these larger big brown plates with lots of maple leaves on them. You also have the smaller light brown plates for cornucopia on there right in the center. You also have a bunch of napkins here, and of course you even have like a little turkey plate. Now, what I personally don't recommend, unless you're really new in your place, you don't have any real dishes out, I don't recommend using any type of paper or fall themed dishes unless you have like, I guess maybe like nice china with maple leaves all over them. I don't recommend those for the main Thanksgiving dinner, but I think they are perfect for snack plates. I mean, these napkins and these plates are great. I mean, you don't have to have an army of dishes before Thanksgiving dinner's even started yet. So consider these for like some like additional like decoration if you're having a Thanksgiving gathering and you're gonna have like maybe say a snack session, around 1 with dinner at 5. Definitely consider these guys. They kind of heighten the mood and it's something a little bit kind of more interesting than just normal plate.